I've been working with MotoClub for a few years now. Victor and his team have always taken care of me at his events. And they're always super fun.
Holding it down for the Aprilia brand, helping out MotoClub Santa Monica and Victor. So we're looking to rep it really well. We got a good bike, and we'll see how we do.
I am Maslow Petosa, and I am having a blast at the track with MotoClub.
My name is Camming Cole, and today I'm riding a Ducati V4.
My name is Lucas Worthing, and I'm riding an RSV4X. It's pretty insane.
I'm Sana Worthing, I'm Lucas's wife, and this is the Tuono X.